What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another review. This time we're going to be looking at an all new keyboard case that just came in from the company ONHI. This is for the iPad Pro 10.5. Let's check it out. First off, let's talk about what we get in the box with this. You get a USB, micro USB charging cable, and the case. That's it. So this is a full keyboard case. It hinges, it sticks to itself. It's not magnetic, but it has a nice graspy hinge on it. Really hard to bend, so you're not gonna have to worry about that flopping up and down. Full QWERTY keyboard. There we go. You have a nice backlit keyboard. You have different brightness settings. So you do have a nice backlit keyboard. This will change to 7 different colors. So as I said, we have a full keyboard layout right here. You can actually control your tablet, your brightness and everything. Your shortcuts are up here up top. All of our cutouts seem to line up. Let's go ahead and drop this tablet in and see what it looks like. Now this comes in about 4 different colors. This is the rose gold variation. It's made out of a very light aluminum alloy material. It's nice and shiny and smooth on the back. On the bottom side, charging ports match up, speakers match up. Up top, speakers and mic match up. Headphone jack, it's good to go up there. All of our cutouts are open for our volume rocker as well as our power button up top. You get a nice picture of that Apple logo. Now this is the rose gold. This was bought for my wife. This is not mine. So we know this is connected through Bluetooth. So we got that. Typing is a breeze. Keys are nice and clicky. You're gonna get about 180 hours of continuous time out of this Bluetooth keyboard with no backlight, about 5 hours with the full backlight going. Fold it down, open it back up. Notice we get the auto sleep wake function. Only issue I'm having with this case is if you want to carry your Apple Pencil, you're going to have to do that in another area. There is no space for Apple Pencil on here. This is where you're going to charge it up at. Like I said, it's a very slim form factor. You can put this down in your book bag. It's good to go. You don't have to worry about it flopping open. It's nice, it's sturdy. I would highly recommend this case, guys. This is an awesome case, awesome buy. If you don't want to go out and spend 200 bucks for an Apple keyboard, this is a great alternative. Now I know Bridge also has alternatives, but they're really expensive. I'm not calling out prices, but just to let you know, this is way cheaper than those 2 brands. And functionality is just as good. Only drawback, like I said, you're not gonna have your Apple Pencil on here anywhere. So if we could get somewhere to carry that Apple Pencil, that would be awesome. So guys, this has been a review of the ONHI 10.5 iPad Pro case, keyboard case. This hooks up through Bluetooth, has Bluetooth connectivity. You notice everything is really responsive. We're gonna dim the screen, brighten the screen. Let's get the keyboard open so we can do a few shortcuts. Okay, got that open. Let's browse through some of these shortcuts. Volume goes up, volume goes down, volume is muted. So let's just open up something right quick to test it out. Clock. Let's go back to the home screen. Remember clock, and you press this button, goes back to the home screen. So it's really responsive. All the keys are intuitive. Great affordable product by the company ONHI. So I'll leave a link below so you can go and check this out for yourself. But until next time, guys, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.